What's going on, world? It's your boy Job back again with another video. This video we're going to take a look at something I think is pretty cool. It's a car wireless charger mount, but the arms on there are automatic, and that seems pretty interesting. Let's get right into this. Okay, so this was sent to me by the people over there at Vicseed. If I'm saying it right, I don't know if that's all one word, but yeah, Vicseed. Let's run with that. So shout out to them for sending this out for my review, and let's take a look at the box. Like, I was reading about this and I was like, okay, this seems interesting. Now, I already do have something similar to this, a wireless charger mount from IoT. I don't know if I butchered that name, but I'll post a link to that right up here, and you can take a look at that one. So this is very similar to that, but you don't have to push that button. It's supposed to just do it by itself. Now in the box you get, now this does come with a vent mount adapter, which I think is pretty cool. And I'm sorry for the noise, it's like really a lot of traffic going on around here right now. But this, you just put it in your vent and you hit that little flap right here so it stays sturdy in there, which I kind of do like that you can adjust it. And they have two settings. So you have one setting is like really tight, and then the other setting is like if your vent is a little thicker. So that's pretty cool. A lot of plastic. Now, I haven't used this yet, so... Whoa. I didn't... How is this on? So, I don't know why it's... I would have thought it would work only if, like, you know, you had power to it. But, let's see. Okay, in here we got... Okay, the suction mount. There's something in here. Okay, the adapter. Okay, so that's it. It's just boxes and structures in there. It doesn't come with a USB plug, which is okay. It does come with a cord. Oops. It's a good length cord, you know, micro USB right there. And with this one, if it's like my other one, you would just screw this, put that around here, put that in there, screw that on. That's it. So you'd use a suction mount right here and like a little ratchet mechanism. And you could, that basically controls the suction. So like if you like put it on something right here, you would turn this little flap in here and it just helps the suction suck it down some more. So it's that sticky. Okay, so right here it's like extra, you know, suction ability, so you have like a little sticky adapter right there. But that's if you want to connect it to your windshield, and like you have this ball head, so we'll get into that. So you have this ball head so you can adjust it. Then, wow, that actually caught my finger. Wow. And then up here, so you could adjust it how long there, and then you could pull it out here. So you get some, you know, a pretty decent length on it. But I think I probably, okay, that's really in there. But the ball head part for the adapter, for the vent adapter, same thing. Let's put that in there. I might put such an vent part just to try it out, but same thing there. So you have the ball head, but your vent will stay right there, so you don't really have to adjust it. Now onto this. On here, on the bottom right here, you have the micro USB adapter or plug. And that's basically it. Now you do have a button right here. Now there is a button right up here, if you can see. So let's use my phone for example. So you would put your phone in here, push it down, and they're good to go. Now if you want to take your device out, there's a little button right here and right here. So you would just push it and it releases your phone and it's out. So like for instance, like say this is your car your car vent, put it in, boom. Take it out, hit the button one time, boom. So actually this is pretty dope. I do like this thing. Now this does do fast charging, so let's check that out. You can never, you can never get it the first time. Now, be right back.
A few moments later.
Okay, and now we're back. So let's test this out. So I do have it plugged into a Samsung fast charger. So let's see, put it in here, put it in there. Okay. So there's a blue LED at the bottom, but I do not see anything happening. So it is plugged in. You can see there is a blue LED, but you can adjust it, so maybe okay, charging, fast wireless charging, you can see it there. Come back on. There you go. So it does work. Okay, so you do have a little adjuster at the bottom here, so adjusting according to phones, and it actually does have a, I don't know if you can see that, the number, there's numbers right there, so it tells you, I guess you put it in depending on the size of your phone. So S8 Plus, put it in, boom, starts charging. So I like it. It's sturdy, it ain't going nowhere. Push the button, boom. So actually this is a little bit more convenient than the one I do have. You do have to like push it in, and then sometimes my finger might slip, but honestly if you have this in one button, you're good to go. I do like this. Hey, so I'll post a link to this in the description down below, but definitely take definitely should be something to take a look at, especially with holidays coming up. Someone who drives a lot, if they have a phone that can benefit from fast wireless charging, this is the way to go. But like I do say in a lot of my wireless charging videos, it's not going to be faster than plug it in directly. So just remember that. But I definitely, Vicseed, you did good there. You did good. So until I see you guys on the next one, peace.